Okay, so I received the hair, you guys. It came from. Oh, I'm gonna hide this part. It came from.
Okay, so I
China.
finally received my hair from Dhgate probably about
I guess
2
it's
weeks ago,
express,
and right now I have the hair installed.
It was free express.
I ordered from not really a known company because I'm trying to get them to collaborate with me and stuff. But I'm trying to give. I usually go for people that don't really have that many views or whatever to like try to order hair from because I want to be the first one to try to say make them popular. But right now I'm taking the hair out the bag, and it came in 2 bags. The first one was a DHL bag, and I was coming in a second bag like that. Sorry, you guys.
This is a bad video.
That's fine. One hand.
I got 4 bundles.
Just work with me, you guys. I'm sorry. I got 4 bundles and a closure.
Of the Kinky
I got a 16, a 18,
Kinky
a 20, and 222. And Kinky Curly.
The longest inch I got is a 22, I think. Yeah, a 22. And it's actually kind of cool. I'm gonna start with the closure. I never had a closure before. That's 16 inches.
Sorry for all of the racket, you guys. Like I said, I only had one hair available. And I'm really trying to get into this vlogging thing. Just give me a chance. I'm gonna get it right. But right now, I'm just opening up the closure to show y'all the quality of the closure. This is really a bad video, but you know, this is just my first tutorial, so just work with me. But the closure was nice. It's a 3-part closure. I originally ordered a middle part, but they sent me a 3-part closure instead. But you know, that's better. I would have had to pay more for the 3-part. So a 50-part closure, that's great for me. The knots wasn't bleached, but I was able to just put the closure on by itself. It really matched with my hair texture. The hair is really soft.
I got you the free part one because you said you want the free part.
You know, it's curly hair. My cousin was helping. She was trying to help me show the hair.
How my cousin helped me because I'm recording.
But you know,
right? I like it.
Yeah.
Open it this way. This is the 20 inch. Open it. Wait a minute. Yeah, open the half of it. Look at Auntie. She's pitiful.
So y'all, all the bundles were thick. Nice and thick at that. Like all of them was thick.
All the hair goes in the net, I guess.
I had a lot of 18-inch left over because I couldn't put all the bundles in my head. I'll show y'all how it looks now later on after I upload this video. Since I already have the hair installed, I'll just make a hair tutorial video or a hair update video on my hair. But yeah, the bundles is really thick and nice, you know what I'm saying? And full for it to be curly hair.
Yeah. They're a little tight though. This the 18. This is the 18. This is a lot of hair for 18 inch. How about that?
Definitely soft and definitely shiny.
Right.
Oh Lord. He made me go horse this morning.
Life. Really life.
You would die in what
you saving. Yeah, I'm like, yeah, definitely. It's a little shit, but it's curly hair, so it's natural.
That's why I'm in that scrubby though, dirty, like hot water getting in that. Relax, just like, oh my God.
This is the 20 inch here, right here, and this is the 22.
What's that?
Oh. Ashes. I was gonna cry. I was gonna say, what the hell is going on my hair?
You got scared.
I was about to cry. This the 20. It's kind of compact. Heck yeah. That's the 22.
Patrice, I remember the other time when you was talking on your phone, you said cuss words and then you was
Hair.
crying. I remember.
Smells like hair.
I remember she was on the phone and then you